Welcome. In front of me is a NOKIA 4.2, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So, before you get started, there's one thing that you will need, which is a SIM eject tool. It comes provided in a device, with the device in the box. So get it from there, and if you can't find it, you can always use something like a paper clip. Just straighten out one of the edges and it will work just fine. So from there, you want to take out the tray, which is located on the left side, right here. You can see that it pops out, and from here you have access to put in 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. Now I'm just going to place a single SIM card, just keep that in mind. So place it like so, make sure that it's laying flush, and then while holding it securely, you want to slide it back into the device, like so. And unfortunately I don't know the hook for the SIM card. Can I skip this somehow? But you can see that the SIM card is working, so I'm actually gonna quickly take it out. So you can also see the memory card working as well. So there's also the SD card, as you can see. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into the device, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.